This is our 62 Chevy Impala. It's an all original car. It's had one repaint out of Texas, Tacoma, Texas. And it's got a 283 2-barrel cast iron power glide, working cool pack air conditioning, totally rust free car, never been hit, no Bondo. Knock on wood, we don't ever want it to get hit. It's got a very rare set of dealer optioned Venetian blinds that have been in this car since '62. Factory fender skirts. There's the cool pack AC that works. The dash is untouched. That's the original paint from '62, unrestored. The rest of the upholstery's been redone. Original front floor mat, showing a little bit of wear. And here's the original 283. Pulled the valve covers off years ago and cleaned them up and painted them. That's as far as I got. I just kind of want to leave it original in here. Still got the generator in it. Fire it up.